The fire hydrant is important for all of the obvious reasons. It's how firefighters tie into a water supply to fight fire. But what does that fire hydrant symbolize? And how can GIS help first responders see beyond the fire hydrant to enhance and facilitate their efforts? What does this fire hydrant's lat long tell us? And how can we use GIS to turn that data into usable information? One fire hydrant gives us spatial context. With GIS, we can quickly identify where the hydrant is in relation to other critical infrastructure: the domestic water supply, local gas network, the electrical grid, communications towers, bridges, tunnels, and even disaster routes. By changing the base map to a topographic map, we now know whether that fire hydrant is on a hill, in a valley, or at the top of a ridge, or on a flat street. Let's draw a quarter-mile buffer around the fire hydrant. We can identify the age of the structures, the type of structures. We can also query the demographic data associated with that single point represented by that fire hydrant. How many people live within a quarter mile of that fire hydrant? What are their ages and ethnicity? What's their median income? Where are the closest hospitals and evacuation sites? What's the microclimate specific to that quarter-mile dome over that fire hydrant? It can take several hours and multiple resources to identify that information in an active, dynamic incident. With SALIS, HSAC's GIS Crisis and Event Management Platform, we make that information directly available and accessible to crisis managers in just 3 clicks. With SALIS, one single fire hydrant in a network of thousands can center us. It can facilitate our data-informed decision-making. It can help us manage our resources. It can help us identify and share information that may be important to other agencies who will support response, recovery, and mitigation efforts. It can allow us to see the grand picture without losing sight of that single fire hydrant.